How to make a video on REDnote. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up the REDnote app. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and after you've done that, simply tap on the plus icon to create a video. After you're there, what you'll need to do is head over to the camera section, or if you already have a video in your gallery, head over to the album section right here. You'll also need to allow access to microphone and camera and also your photos. So after you've done everything, all you now need to do is take a photo or a video. So after you've taken a video, you will need to tap on done. And after you've done that, you'll get to the edit section. Now right here on the bottom, you will see the editing section. If you tap on more, you will be on this section right here. From here, you can add effects. You can also add text if you want. You can add stickers. And you can add different GIFs if you want to. You can add filters. It's all up to your choice. You can simply edit the video to your liking and then tap on next. After you do that, you will need to give it a title and then add a description. Now you can write whatever you want. You can even add hashtags if you want to. You can also mark locations and you can select the visibility too. So if you want to make it public, tap on public. If you want to make it invisible to selected users, you can do that too. And if you want to make it private completely, make it private. After you've done that, tap on post and enter your phone number and you're basically good to go. So that is how you can make a video on REDnote. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.